Next up on my list is a man who has the unenviable position of being the first man executed by Michael Collins' squad. Patrick Smyth, who was nicknamed the Dog by his enemies, maybe by his colleagues as well, was so the G division which he worked in within Dublin Metropolitan Police were warned to stop their political activity, but supposedly Patrick Smyth was very vocal that he was not going to stop and that he was going to fine Michael Collins. Patrick Smyth was an Irishman as well. I cannot remember the county he was from off the top of my head now, but he was executed in 1919 by the first formation of the squad, which included Vinnie Byrne and Mick MacDonald, among other members. So he was shot a number of times with revolvers and managed to make it to his house, but due to how many bullets it took to actually take him down, the squad were supposedly started using .45 ammunition instead of .38. I think that's like the story behind that. But Patrick Smyth was the first man executed by the squad. So you'll see it here. Patrick Smyth, G Division DMP, so Dublin Metropolitan Police, who died on 8th of September 1919 from bullet wounds received while gallantly doing his duty, aged 50 years. I cannot remember off the top of my head where he was from, and then that's his wife, like a dedication to her. The family had to leave, well, were kind of ostracised, which happened to a lot of families during the War of Independence. So they were ostracised, and obviously the breadwinner of the family had been executed, so they fled and moved to Blackpool, and I think that's where she died, so that's just a dedication to her. So yeah, he also buried in Glasnevin, so buried within a 10-minute walk of the people who ordered his execution. But that is what happens in war sometimes. So yeah, Patrick Smyth, G Division of Dublin Metropolitan Police.